Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a clean with me, and as you can see I like to put my shoes on before I start cleaning. I find it keeps me motivated and stops me from pausing halfway through and slacking off. So today I'm starting in the kitchen and I'm going to begin by giving my hands a quick wash, and I like to make sure I have clean hands if I'm handling the clean dishes. And then I'm going to go ahead and start putting away all of the things that we have left to dry since the last time we did the dishes. I'm not much of a fan of drying every dish by hand. We tend to just leave them out on the drying rack and then put them away when they're all dry. Putting away the cutlery is pretty easy. The bigger stuff goes in our second drawer, and then straws and cutlery like forks and spoons and knives goes in our top drawer. We're trying to get rid of those plastic straws, but my youngest is addicted to them, so once they're gone, they're gone. Next is cups. Plastic ones go on a low shelf for the kids, and we had Christmas mugs out this morning because the girls woke up early to watch the soccer with their dad, and for some reason they made hot chocolate in Christmas mugs even though it's June, but that was pretty cute. Before I wash the dishes, I like to make sure I've got a clean surface ready to go. So I wipe down the drainer and I wash out the cutlery holder, and then just make sure that my hands and my sponge are nice and clean, and then we'll get started on washing the morning dishes. What I forgot to do here was go around first around the whole house to go and make sure I had all the glasses and cups that we used at breakfast. So you'll see me duck out of the room to get those in a minute. I'm just going now to get our compost container out of our freezer. We don't have chickens at the moment, so everything pretty much goes in the compost container into the freezer, and then I empty it into the big bin every couple of days. Just doing a spot clean now of our coffee canister and our tea canister and our sugar canisters. I don't do this every day. I just do it when I find that the coffee is built up on the outside or the sugar is built up on the outside of the containers, and I like to just give them a quick wash over when I'm at the end of my morning dishes, and that way I can use that hot soapy water on a little bit of extra cleaning. We try really hard to recycle as much as we can, so here I'm just giving these milk boxes a little rinse out, flattening them and getting them ready to put in our recycling bin. Moving on to the washing for the day, I'm taking down yesterday's washing, which has dried. We hang our washing outside, but it's in a sheltered area, so rain or sun, we can hang washing every day, and I normally do a load per day, sometimes two if I'm getting backed up with the laundry. I put pegs on my shirt to make hanging the washing easier. I know that's a little bit daggy, but you know, what can you do? I used to wear an apron and put pegs in that so that I wasn't going back and forth for a peg or two at a time. But I just found that having the pegs on my shirt works a lot easier. So I'm hanging 2 loads of washing today, and it's a bit of a mixed bunch. There's some towels, tea towels, odds and ends like our reusable shopping bags. Those ones are really handy because they fold up really small and they're machine washable, so I love them. I also have a blanket that usually goes on my daughter's bed and a couple of lounge cushion covers because this morning when my youngest was having hot chocolate, she basically spilled the whole cup of hot chocolate on the lounge and herself and her blanket. She's fine, it wasn't really hot, but there was just hot chocolate everywhere, so we had to wash those today. Basically we're done with the laundry, so I just stack the laundry baskets on top of each other, take them inside and start putting everything away. I tend to stack the laundry basket so I can pack away room by room and just walk through the house with the basket. Don't look inside my wardrobe now. It needs a complete declutter inside, and even the outside doors are very streaky and fingerprinty, but I'll be getting to a main bedroom clean today in a minute, so those at least will be clean soon. Okay, get ready. This is our deep clean of the day. Today we're doing my bedroom, or my husband and I, our bedroom. And this is basically the worst room in the house today because I have been working from bed before I started cleaning today. So everything is a mess of wires and my handbag is thrown on the bed and there is just stuff everywhere. So I can't wait to get this clean and tidy and make it a haven again for the rest of the day. But it's going to take a few minutes of fighting with those cords before I do anything else. Today is change the bed sheets in the main bedroom day, and I'm really excited. There is nothing better than getting into bed at the end of the day with freshly washed sheets on the bed. It just freshens up your whole life. There's our cat Lily being very cheeky and playing on the bed while I am off putting these sheets into the washing machine. Our bed head's a little bit dusty, so I'm just spraying a microfiber cloth with my vinegar mix, and that gets a quick wipe down before I make the rest of the bed. Let me know if you have a fitted sheet and then a top sheet before you put your quilt on, because I know some of us do, some of us don't. I like to have a fitted sheet and then a flat sheet on top, just to, especially in the winter, keep it a little bit warmer, and in the summer to use as a cover when the quilt is too hot. Lily being cheeky again and laying on the bed while I'm doing the pillows. I've brought our foldable washing basket in here now so that I can use it as a put away box. Basically what I do there is everything that doesn't belong in the room that I'm cleaning, I put in a put away box so that I can basically just take it out of the room really quick and really easy, and then it's just easy to carry the basket around the house room by room after that and put everything in the space that it belongs. Time for a quick spray and wipe of the wardrobe doors and all of the countertops and then the windowsill, and then I go through with a microfiber cloth and just clean all of those. If I clean this room on a regular basis, it doesn't get too dusty, so one cloth will do every surface, and then I just pop that cloth in the washing after that's done. I'm just cleaning under the tripod. For those of you who have been asking over on Facebook, yes, the Kmart upright vacuum is still going strong, It's really easy to use. It's worked well on our wooden floor. We have floating floorboards, and then on our short carpet here and our shaggy rug in the lounge room. This has worked great on all of them. Poor Lily did not like that when I switched to the smaller handheld brush. I think she thought I was coming to vacuum her, but she's fine, I promise. And that's it for today's Clean With Me video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell for more videos, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next video.